Hello everyone, it's me Pramod Khatri. Today I'm presenting about leukemia. Starting with the kinds of blood cells, there are disease-fighting white blood cells, oxygen-carrying red blood cells, and glass-forming platelets. Bone marrow makes and releases lots of cells every day. With leukemia, whole process gets thrown off kilter. Leukemia is the cancer of blood cells or blood tissues, including bone marrow and lymphatic system. Many types exist. Most of them are common in children. Normally, leukemia involves production of abnormal white blood cells. Leukemia can be acute or chronic myelogenous and acute or chronic lymphocytic. Acute myelogenous leukemia is common in adults. Acute lymphocytic leukemia is common in children. Acute types of leukemia common within weeks and found after having an infection that won't go away, whereas chronic show up much more slowly. Phases of the leukemia depends on type. Acute leukemia is so quick and has no stages, whereas chronic can be low, intermediate, and high risk. We actually don't know what causes leukemia. Chemicals like benzene found in cigarettes could raise odds. Use of chemo or radiations for cancer treatment, genetic conditions may be other. For leukemia to occur, all it takes is change in DNA of a single blood cells, which divides again and again, making a lot of abnormal cells. There is no telltale sign for leukemia. At first, it seems like flu. Fewer red blood cells could cause anemia. Sickness or infections could be longer. Other symptoms include unwell with chills, fever, night sweats, nose bleeding, swollen or bleeding gums, lose weight, joints or bones might hurt, swelling in the nodes, spleen, liver, headache, confusion, and seizures. The first test to get for diagnosis is complete blood count CBC that tells how many blood cells of each type you have. Bone marrow biopsy, blood smear, CT scan, MRI, ultrasound imaging, they help to find more details. Gene therapy, targeted therapy, stem cell transplant, chemotherapy are the popular types of treatments for leukemia. There is not a lot you can do to prevent leukemia. No smoking, staying away from benzene, and high level of radiations can be things you could do. Routine blood tests could make you aware of leukemia. Leukemia is a global disease. The graph shows the death per million by leukemia across the globe. Lots of people are dying even in the developed countries like US and Australia. The 5-year relative survival rate for leukemia is about 60%. This means compared with every 10 people who don't have leukemia, on average 6 people who do not have it are still alive after 5 years. According to the prior data, compared to all cancers, survival rate for leukemia is poor. Classified to 10 years, 5 years, and 1 year, survival rate is 42%, 52%, and 69% respectively. Huge progress is made in the survival rate. Leukemia is a rare disease. Estimated new cases is 4% in male and 3% in female compared to all cancers. Estimated death shows 5% and 4% by leukemia in males and females respectively compared to all cancer cases. Leukemia has been the disease of interest for me. My brother in his young age suffered from acute lymphocytic leukemia. He had to undergo long-time treatment to finally get well. Moreover, leukemia has a lot of biology. Being a biology major and with the goal of engaging into research in coming years, topic like this is part of my goal. LaGuardia Community College includes different research-based courses that help me to understand issues like leukemia to greater depth. The class first year seminar guided me to organize my future plans and projects in proper way. With the knowledge from cell biology and courses such as general biology 1 and 2, I was able to understand chromosomal aberrations, translocations, as well as chromosomal mutations. The knowledge from cell biology was again useful in preventing leukemia by deactivating an oncogenic kinase and stopping signal for cell proliferation and survival. Mathematics came into play in understanding feedback model in leukemia that involved different differential equations that was derived for treatment, apoptosis, proliferating phase, differentiation, and so on. Knowledge of organic chemistry and general chemistry was needed in understanding different chemicals such as benzene, as well as in understanding radiations that would cause mutation and lead leukemia. With the new technologies and therapies, leukemia now can be treated pretty much easily, but still this is not accessible to all the places and people of the world. With the knowledge from different aspects of the disease, I have responsibility to work in the development of more easy and convenient treatment ways.